Okay, so now let's try E to B. Now this one is a bigger change. Now here's the E chord. Now to go from E to B, well, this requires a huge change. Everything is coming off the fretboard and moving to that B shape, like so. But one thing that they do have in common is that these two fingers, the second, there's no easy way to change, pretty much are in the same position. They are always together. So as you can see here, E, and then down to B, they're together. And let's have a go at E, A and B together. So I'm going to play 2 bars of each. Have a listen.